Hello everyone. Today we start with the topic photoelectric effect. So this effect was discovered by Hertz. Who discovered this model? Hertz. In this model, he take a metal surface. As we know, in metal there is a presence of free electrons. So when light fall on this metal surface, the electrons are ejected from the metal surface. These are the electrons which are ejected when light falls on this metal surface. And when these electrons come out from the metal surface, they move towards the anode. Why they go there? Because anode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So as we know, electrons carry negative charge. As electrons carry negative charge, when light falls on it, then electrons come and it move towards the anode, and as a result in the circuit, photoelectric current will produce. Photoelectric current will produce. So what is the meaning of photo? Photo means light. Photo means light. When light of suitable frequency, जब उस लाइट की फ्रीक्वेंसी suitable falls on the surface of metal, then electrons are ejected. Electrons eject होंगे, move out from the surface of metal. The ejected electrons are called photoelectrons. The ejected electrons are called the photoelectrons. The current produced is called the photoelectric current, and the current produced is called the photoelectric current. So why electrons will move out from this metal surface? So the main condition is nu is greater than nu naught. So as we know, the light have frequency nu. The light have frequency nu, and metal surface have frequency nu naught. The frequency of metal surface is called the threshold frequency. This is called threshold frequency. And if nu is greater than nu naught, it means if the frequency of light should be greater than the metal surface frequency, then photoelectrons will eject out from that surface. Now we study the laws of photoelectric effect. So the main laws of photoelectric effect is if nu is greater than nu naught. So what is nu? It is the light having frequency nu. Incident light have frequency nu. It should be greater than threshold frequency. Then photoelectrons will eject out. Then photoelectrons eject out, emit out from the metal surface. If nu naught is greater than nu, that is the threshold frequency. If threshold frequency should be greater, then no photoelectric emission takes place. Third point is the kinetic energy of photoelectron is directly proportional to frequency of light. Kinetic energy is directly proportional to frequency of light, and we know that if we plot a graph, kinetic energy versus frequency, if we plot a graph, kinetic energy versus frequency, then we get a straight line starting from the origin. Fourth point is there will be no time lag takes place. There will be no time lag takes place as the light falls on the metal surface. The electrons will get eject out from the metal surface. So we say that it is a spontaneous process. Now we have Einstein photoelectric equation. This is our metal surface. This is incident light having energy E equals to h nu. And the main basic condition of photoelectric effect is nu greater than nu naught. That is, the light having frequency nu, it should be greater than the threshold frequency nu naught. Now when incident light fall on this metal surface, then electrons will eject out from the metal surface, and they gain kinetic energy and goes out from the surface of metal. When photon of light having energy E falls on the surface of metal, then it performs two functions. When this light fall on this metal surface, then it performs two functions. The first function is it provides minimum energy to the electron, so that electron eject out from the surface of metal. The electron will come out from at this surface of metal. And second point is the remaining energy of photon will provide kinetic energy to the electron. As we know, E equals to this E is the incident light having energy E. And this light perform two functions. First is the work function and another one is the kinetic energy given to that electron. And incident light have energy h nu. E naught is equals to h nu naught. Kinetic energy is half mv square. After then, h nu minus h nu naught is equals to half mv square. This equation is called the Einstein photoelectric equation. Einstein photoelectric equation. So, the recap of this topic is the photoelectric effect means when light of suitable frequency falls on the surface of metal, then the electrons will eject out from the surface of metal, and the current will produce, and that current is called the photoelectric current.